Now, same thing when it comes to string variable. You can also combine mathematical operations with variables, as you can see here. And to close the command line, just press Ctrl plus D. So all of the previous examples, we wrote code that will be gone once the command line windows is closed. So to maintain the code, we need to save it in a file with .py extension. Consider the following code. We have x is equals to 3, y is equals to 1 plus 2, sum is equals to x plus y, then print sum. You can write it by doing to menu, then head on to accessories, and then go to leafpad and write the code, and then click on file, then save, and then assign the name sum.py, then store it inside the home or on the py folder. And then to run the program, write python sum.py in the command line. Now when installing the control library, before starting to use Python to control the GPIO, we will install the control library rpi.gpio, which we can get by writing this one. Now connect your Raspberry Pi 4. Let's connect up your Raspberry Pi and get it running. First, check the slot on the underside of your Raspberry Pi to see whether an SD card is inside. If no SD card is there, then insert an SD card with the Raspbian installed via the noobs. Now note that many micro SD cards come inside a larger adapter. You can just slide the smaller card out using the lip at the bottom of the SD card.